Welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 5 new best electric blenders from Amazon, which are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time. So don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Ninja BL610 Professional Blender. Professional power. 1000 watts of professional power can crush ice and break down any tough ingredient. Power source, corded electric. Amperage, 12.5 amps. XL capacity. The 72 watts professional blender pitcher is excellent for making frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the entire family. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Intelligent technology. Total crushing technology delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. Ice crushing. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious resort-style frozen drinks. Prasky Professional Blender. 2024 grade powerful blenders for kitchen. Prasky blender for smoothies with powerful 3.0 horsepower motor, which reaches speeds of up to 25,000 RPMs min, faster and stronger. Blenders feature an enhanced 6-leaf sharp blade, which can easily crush ice cubes, vegetables, and fruits. Powerful blender for smoothies and shakes are effortlessly available with just a twist. Large capacity and perfect choice. The smoothie blender includes a 68-ounce container crafted from BPA-free material with a capacity to accommodate 9 cups of liquid and equal to 2 34-ounce on-the-go cup, and making it a perfect choice for enjoying nutrient-rich smoothies when you do exercise outside. It's a versatile blender for kitchen that's ideal for both family meals and entertaining, capable of meeting the demands of commercial, cafe, or restaurant use. Want Join Professional Commercial Blender. Quiet and soundproof. Want Join Quiet and Soundproof Shield Professional Blender reduce noises and also no splatter and leaking while you're blending. This heavy-duty commercial blender adopts with big volume pitcher, 80 watts, 2.2 L, which is suitable for family and party. And easy dealing with smoothie, ice cream, salsa, sauce, nuts, hummus, shakes, and baby food and fitness persons. All the ingredients in the cup should not exceed 74 watts, so as to blend better. Powerful blade and strong 2200 watt motor. Want Join Professional Countertop Blender. Use powerful blade and 2200 watt motor together with dual direction blade technology for powerful blending and consistent energy. High-speed professional countertop blender for shakes and smoothies, 8,000 RPM, built-in pulse and 15 speeds control for your selection. Chefman Obliterator 48 watts countertop blender. Ice crushing power. This 1,380 watt high-powered blender obliterates anything in its path. Its advanced airflow breaks down ice with ease while staying quiet throughout operation, making it a perfect smoothie blender or crushed ice maker. High blending capacity. With a 48-ounce shatter-resistant Tritan blending jar, the Obliterator has enough space to make shakes and smoothies for everyone. The durable construction even allows for blending hot liquids with the lid cover removed. Cover with a towel to avoid excess splatter. Auto Blend. Optimize your blending without any guesswork. The Auto Blend function analyzes every ingredient added, automatically customizing the blend settings for your ideal consistency every time. It's a professional blender that does the hard work for you. Olaboni Smoothie Blender. Powerful 6-leaves blade and strong 2200 watt motor. Olaboni Professional Blender with a motor which can run up to 38,000 RPM. It can blend ice, smoothies, ice cream, sauce, nuts, shakes, or baby food in seconds. 2,200 milliliters large capacity. 80 watts capacity is perfect for entertaining guests at parties or making enough drinks for a big family. But it's advised that all the ingredients in the pitcher should not exceed 74 watts for better blending. Feeding lid and soundproof cover design. The design of removable lid allows to put additional ingredients from the hole on the top during blending, and the stick helps to blend ingredients through the feed.